Enhancing coherence. Organizing ideas logically. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on enhancing clarity and coherence. Today, we'll dive deep into an essential topic: organizing ideas logically. By the end of this video, you'll understand the importance of logical organization and have tools to make your writing flow smoothly. Logical organization refers to arranging your ideas in a way that makes sense and is easy for the reader to follow. It's like building a bridge from one idea to the next, ensuring your reader can easily cross from the beginning to the end of your text without getting lost. Key points. Logical organization makes your writing clearer. It ensures your reader can follow your thoughts easily. Think of reading a text like journeying through a map. When things are organized logically, it's like having a clear path marked out for you. But if ideas jump around, it's like trying to navigate a maze. Key points. Organized writing saves the reader time and confusion. Disorganized writing can lead to misunderstandings. 1. Chronological order. This is arranging events or steps in the order they occurred or should occur. Useful for narratives or step-by-step processes. Example: first, gather your ingredients. Next, preheat the oven. Then, mix the ingredients. 2. Order of importance. List items from most to least important or vice versa. This can be helpful in persuasive or argumentative texts. Example: the primary reason for climate change is human activity, followed by natural climate variations and volcanic activities. 3. Spatial order. Describing items as they appear in space. Useful for descriptive writing. Example: the room was lit by a chandelier in the center, with paintings adorning the left wall and a grand window to the right. 4. Cause and effect. Detailing why something happened and its outcomes. Effective for explanatory or expository writing. Example: deforestation leads to a decrease in wildlife habitats, which then results in species extinction. 5. Problem and solution. Introduce a problem and then detail the solutions. Effective for persuasive writing. Example: air pollution is a significant problem in urban areas. Solutions include promoting public transportation and stricter regulations on industrial emissions. Key points. Choose an organization method that fits your purpose and audience. Be consistent with your chosen method. Organizing ideas logically isn't just about making your writing look neat. It's about ensuring that your reader can effortlessly understand and engage with your content. Practice using these strategies, and soon you'll find that your writing is clearer, more coherent, and even more persuasive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these techniques helpful in your writing journey.